back today with some big hair, or big hair. I mean big hair. I am back with some Johnny Bravos. Y'all remember that cartoon, or am I showing my age? The Johnny Bravo hair is big. It is cute and it is super simple, and it is 100% protective style, meaning that none of your real hair is going to be out. So if you want to know how to get this tutorial, then go ahead and stay tuned and keep watching, and I'll show you how. First thing I'm going to be doing is parting across at the bottom portion of my head, not quite in the middle, but more the bottom portion. Okay, so once your hair is parted, you're just going to put it in a bun, basically. Okay, and then you are going to get your other part, and maybe I might have parted mine too far back. I probably should have parted me over here. And then you're just gonna part at the front of the head going across. And then you're just gonna follow the same exact process and put this in a bun and put this in a bun. So before I started even shooting this video, I made 3 braids, and I didn't do it on camera because I feel like, I mean, it's not like, it's really easy. Like, I don't know that you need a tutorial for that, but I just got the braiding hair and braided it. And then I just mixed some color into it, and that was it. I'm gonna start with one, and really what I will show you is that you need for these to be very big. And so I braided them very loose so that I can stretch them out, because it's just gonna look better when you put it on your head. And so since I'm not braiding this into my hair, you want this to look realistic as possible. So you're not just gonna like put it right here, because that's gonna look crazy. Put it like that, and then fold it back, and then this will be like a pompadour situation. Starting here, and don't put it too close because you don't want it hanging on your edge. And then fold it back, and this can be as big or as whatever as you want it to be. As you see, our first bun is here, so you want to make sure to go over that, which is why when you braid, this needs to be loose, and then you pin it into place. And then I'm actually doing this, tucking this over my second bun. If you can see, there's the second bun, and I have just like went like this, would help if I'm in my hand, went like this, placed it over my second bun, and then I'm going to pin it into place. And so now we have this little thing, and we're just gonna wrap this around here just so that it has somewhere to go and it's not just sticking out. Okay, so where our second bun is, I am actually going to overlap this over the second bun, even though we already put hair over the second bun, but I just want it to be bigger. So you just want to really make sure that this is stretched out, just because you want it to fit over this bun. So remember, this is where the second bun is, and then you're just going to like place it over like this, pin the top. You want to make sure you don't see it, so you don't want like the piece of hair sticking out. And then once that is secure, you just kind of pull over, and then you secure. So this hair is gonna be big, y'all, so you're gonna have this leftover thing, and then you are going to want to roll it, because we're going to roll it under just to make it bigger, but you don't want to see like that part. That will look weird. So like roll it and then tuck it under. My third bun is here. Tuck it right under the third bun, and then bobby pin that into place. Just make sure that none of that is showing. We still are going to add a third braid, but just, you know, you don't want like a whole bunch of stuff happening back there. Then we have our last and final braid. And then really, you are gonna have to wing this. Like, I don't know how else to explain it. I am putting mine like over here, just because that's where you can kind of see things. And then it's gonna come around, but I'm going to pin it in place. And so like we did with the front, I'm gonna like do this, pin this under, and then so that the braid isn't showing. And then I am actually going to pin all of this, so the braid is going to permanently. Now that we have everything pinned in place, you want to do what I like to call the logistics. Logistics are really just looking at your head and make sure it looks right. Like, it's hard for me to explain every little thing that you need to do, just because after you pin this in your head, it might look different. And so, but afterwards, just don't be like, oh, it's kind of sort of it. Just make sure, do it in a, you just fix stuff. Goal is to look cute, not to have a hairstyle that could have looked cute if only, you know, you would have did X, Y, and Z. So just make sure your hairstyle is all the way cute. Don't let it be a potential hairstyle. Like, it had a potential to be cute, but another logistic is that I'm going to add some string just to the ponytail part. Okay, so that is about it. It was super easy. Like, I know it looks complicated, but literally this is just, you know, putting fake hair on your head, and your hair is like underneath. These edges will calm down. Make sure y'all put on a scarf because my edges are starting to pop up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you like this video, give me a like, a heart, a thumbs up, depending on which platform you are watching this on. And I will see you guys another day, another time. Bye, y'all.